Mostly when we say I'm stuck or he's stuck or they're stuck or something like that, then you are in one place, one space that you can't escape or you can't get out of. So here in this context, I'm stuck in middle school. That means that he can't go anywhere else. He's got no other options. So it's more so in that direction, and it kind of has that connotation to it, like you said, that I mean, you're there and you maybe don't have a lot of time for yourself or for other things that you would prefer to do because you're in school or you're at work and you're stuck and you can't go anywhere else. So because of that, you don't have much time for other things. So there is that maybe consequence to it of what you're talking about, but mostly just being in one place that you can't get out of. So you can imagine this very literally, that for example, okay, are you familiar with quicksand? No? Sometimes in movies there is this situation where they're in the jungle and there is just some sand, and then when you step in that sand you start to sink and you can't get out of the sand. That's quicksand. And so literally, if you step in that sand and you start to go down and you can't leave, then they very often say, oh, I'm stuck, help me. So then, okay, literally you cannot get out of that sand. So more metaphorically, that he's stuck in middle school because he can get up and leave, but socially not really supposed to.